baby diaper bag essentials must-haves for every parent. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You know that feeling, right? The one where you're finally heading out the door with your little one, feeling like you've got it all together, then bam, you realize you forgot wipes. Again, don't worry, been there. Today we're tackling the essentials for your baby diaper bag. The things you absolutely can't leave home without. Whether you're a brand new parent or you're like me and just trying to survive those early years, this video is for you. We're going to cover everything you need to stay prepared and confident, no matter what adventures you and your little one embark on. You got this, mama or dad. Let's dive in. Okay, first up, let's talk portable changing pads. These things are lifesavers. Seriously, public restrooms, the back of your car, a park bench, you name it, you might find yourself needing to change a diaper there. A good portable changing pad gives your little one a clean and safe spot, no matter where you are. Look for one that's easy to wipe down, because trust me, things can get messy. I like the ones with little pockets for diapers and wipes too. Keeps everything organized. This one seems obvious, right? But you'd be surprised how many times I've been caught short. Always pack more diapers than you think you'll need. I live by the rule of 1 to 2 diapers for every hour you'll be out. And if you have twins, double it. Trust me, it's better to be over-prepared than stuck in a blowout situation with no backup. Wipes are like the Swiss Army knife of baby care. Obviously you need them for diaper changes, but they're good for so much more. Sticky hands, messy faces, cleaning spills. You name it, wipes can handle it. I always keep a travel pack in the diaper bag and refill it from a bigger pack at home. It saves space and you're less likely to run out when you need them most. Chapter 4, Plastic Bags, the Unsung Heroes. Let's be real, diaper blowouts happen. And when they do, you need a way to contain the mess. That's where plastic bags come in. They're perfect for wrapping up dirty diapers or soiled clothes. Don't forget, you can also use them to store wet swimsuits or muddy shoes. Basically, keep a stash of plastic bags in your diaper bag. You'll thank me later. Chapter 5, Diaper Rash Cream, because nobody likes a sad bum. Diaper rash is no fun for anyone, so I always make sure to have a good diaper rash ointment in my bag. It's better to be safe than sorry, right? Look for one that's gentle on sensitive skin and free of harsh chemicals. A little dab goes a long way in preventing and soothing those pesky rashes. Chapter 6, Burp Cloths, more than meets the eye. Burp cloths are another one of those multi-purpose items that every parent needs. Sure, they're great for catching spit up, but did you know you can also use them as impromptu changing pads, nursing covers, or even just a clean surface for your baby to lay on? I always keep a few in my diaper bag. They're just so versatile. Let's face it, babies are cute, but they're also little germ magnets. And as parents, we're constantly touching things, changing diapers, wiping noses, picking up dropped toys. You get the picture. That's why a small bottle of hand sanitizer is an absolute must-have in your diaper bag. It's a quick and easy way to keep your hands clean and germ-free, even when you're on the go. Remember those diaper blowouts we talked about? Well, sometimes they're bad enough to warrant a full outfit change. That's why I always pack at least one extra set of clothes for my little one. Accidents happen, and it's always better to be prepared than to have to deal with a messy and potentially smelly situation. Chapter 9, Hat, Sun Protection and Warmth. A hat is a simple but essential item that can make a big difference in your baby's comfort. In the summer, a wide-brimmed hat helps protect their delicate skin from the sun's harmful rays, and in the winter, a warm hat keeps their little head and ears toasty. Chapter 10, Baby Blanket, Comfort and Security. A baby blanket is like a little piece of home that you can take with you wherever you go. It provides warmth, comfort, and a sense of security for your baby. You can use it for everything from swaddling to a nursing cover to a makeshift playmate. Chapter 11, Bottles and Formula, Fed is Best. If you're formula feeding, don't forget to pack enough bottles and formula for your outing. I like to pre-measure the formula into individual containers or bags so I can just add water when it's feeding time. And always bring an extra bottle or two just in case. And there you have it, folks. Those are my must-have essentials for a well-stocked diaper bag. Remember, every baby is different and you'll figure out what works best for you and your little one. The most important thing is to be prepared and confident, knowing that you have everything you need to handle whatever comes your way. Because you've got this, mama, or dad. You're doing great. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more parenting tips and tricks. See you in the next one.